I have taken this box. This was the base box of the sweets box, and I'm just taking this cover. It's nice and sturdy and strong cardboard box cover, and I love the fresh lemon yellow color. It's very bright and happy and spring and summer. So I'm going to take this box. It has got the edge which is lemon yellow. It has got a rim which is a green print, and again the base is yellow. I'm going to cover this and make a sign. I got this sign printed out. I wrote the text and got it printed in a normal printer, in a normal paper. I'll adjust it and trim it and paste it here. This is already looking pretty cool, but is this all? If you know me, it isn't. You can watch my video where I made some false flowers. So I got this addicted to making more of them. So I've taken some cutouts. I just cut them out into a yellow flower like shapes. I made 4 of them, and I'm going to glue the smaller one onto the upper one so that the petals don't fall on the same place. Then I've taken a little cotton ball and place it in the center. For today's DIY, I'm taking a condensed milk can. It's empty and I've cleaned it. And to begin, I'm going to give it a good coat of white paint, maybe 2, just to cover the whole thing very neatly. And I'm going to make it a utensil container. I printed the text "Utensils Vintage Storage" on a plain piece of paper, and I also painted over it in aquamarine blues and greens. But somehow the clip is missing. I'm really sorry, cannot show you the process of my painting this portion. But the next step. So I'm taking a permanent marker pen and defining things further. I'll just cut it out. Here is the label. I've cut it out, and here is the can after 2 coats of paint, and I'm going to just take some good glue and fix it here like this. Taken a little brown and giving it a more vintage look, a little rusted look, and not all over, but at some places wipe it down, apply some more just go as you feel like. A little near the edge of the label because water might stay there and rust this piece around it. Now just to finish everything, I'm just going to seal this with some Mod Podge. This would save my label from being spoiled by any water that can come on it. That's the final step. Let it dry and enjoy. Here is the card around my kitchen counter that you people have already seen. Here is my DIY false wooden cheese plate or cutting board with wood burning sign. Bon appetit. You can see my DIY in the video. I will put a card link above. Here's my natural wood real cutting board, the little birdie jar with some candies in them, and a white ceramic vase with some dried florals, some supplies. Oils that I always need on the counter, and here are my 2 DIYs of today. I like to keep my counter empty, and that's what I like most. That's the prettiest thing I would say in the kitchen would be, that the counters are neat and empty. Now here is my today's DIY. I wanted something for this region because you can see these 2 unsightly pegs out here which were placed here by the previous owner. I can pull them out, and even if I pull them out, they would leave ugly marks. So I wanted something to cover that area. And it looks pretty. 24 hours open kitchen, cooked and served with love. And we established this kitchen, family kitchen, in 2005. Here is my very vintage, very authentic looking Utensils vintage storage can for, and I keep my daily used forks and spoons here. And I need these small utensils always on the counter. They are needed every moment almost. And I love how this can has turned out. The label is looking very authentic. I really like how the label has turned out, and the look on the can is also very nice. Overall, I'm very happy with how everything has turned out. It's minimal and it's beautiful. It has brought spring, and I'll stretch it till summers as well because the colors are just so bright and happy. Thank you so much for watching. If you love DIY, decor, everything in a budget related home, do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and see you very soon in my next DIY.